So if you've always wanted to cut your hair or have a haircut without actually going to the salon, and you need it for, to trick somebody, here is the perfect AI for you. So all you have to do is to go to this website, deepfakemaker.io, then click sign in, and then click on the image filter here, click on buzzcut filter. This basically allows you to try on new hairstyles even before you have them, or if you actually don't want to have them, or you need proof that you've had them whereas you've not had them. So all you have to do is to click, go on upload your picture, then enter the type of style haircut, the style of haircuts you want, and choose the color. And then if you have any other idea, you can add it here, you can specify it, and then choose the image ratio, then click on generate. Now within few seconds you have a very good image of your new haircut. So basically you can actually cut your hair in any form or manner you want with this beautiful AI. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please subscribe as we are actively trying to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and